Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is a Tenba update. So, Tenba's team, and mind you, guys, they just sent me a brand new version 2 of this version 1 backpack. If you haven't seen any of my videos for the last 5 years on the Tenba version 1 AXIS 32L, this backpack has showed some wear and tear now. As you can see, this top zipper is broken. The mesh up here was crazy glue over and over again. This got broken. We got some tear at the threading here. I kept threading it back and forth. There's also some tear for the book bag area in the back of this. And you can see this, 5 years of using this consistently has showed its tear, right? And you can see there's multiple rips everywhere on this backpack. So take it with a grain of salt, everyone. I'm Panda, I'm the Panda Photographer, and I got a new backpack from Tenba. So take it with a grain of salt, everybody. What I'm about to show you is my new backpack. I'm gonna unbox this right here, right now. So take everything what you see with a grain of salt. They sent this overnight, but I changed the address to pick it up from the UPS store instead of the residential address after many complaints of residents are complaining about UPS theft. So I decided to play it safe. I want to say thank you to Peter, George, and everyone from Tenba Backpacks. Ooh. And right here is my new AXIS 32L version 2. Now, version 2 is different from version 1. Version 1 had some problems, and a lot of photographers did discuss that, but in my opinion, there was some problems with the backpack being located in the back, make it feel very uncomfortable. But you guys knew me. I was a trooper, rocking it 24/7 regardless. So there it is. The brand new Tenba 32 AXIS backpack. Look at how clean and fresh that looks. And you can see they changed the logo. Let me show you the original logo from the original bag. So everyone, the logo for the original bag was like this. Now, it says Tenba, New York City, 1977. So 17-inch laptop goes up here, everyone. This is what I'm excited about, because now we can put our laptops in this area here instead of the back. Apparently there's new pockets and new designs different from the first one. So take it with a grain of salt. The ID badge is roughly the same, but it's different layout, different materials. You can see, let me make a comparison here. You can see how this is blue, but this is gray now. There's a different comparison here. So the old one has blue. The ID badge is on to the left side, but the ID badge now is on to the right side, as you can see. You can see from the original one, the first one, the logo is to my right side, but the logo is to the left side. And you can see there's no pocket here, but now there's a pocket here. So for Bluetooth trackers, pockets, whatever you may use that for. As you can see on the side here, there's an opening for the camera, but no strap. On the side here, there's an opening with strap. If you look to the side, there's also a strap with the pocket. If you look to the side of this version 1, there's a pocket but no strap. Keep that in mind. But I just wanted to show you guys quickly, this is going to be my new camera bag. Layout is very nice. I already took a look at this when I was at the Bills Expo in this year, this past summer, that B&H host. And I feel like the straps are much better. Yeah, these are much better. It seems a little bit bigger, thicker, because the version 1s, if you take a good look onto the side here, they look the same. They look the same. They might be the same, but I feel like every time I went all the way up, it came out. So let's see if that happens with this backpack. But you can see that the bottom of that strap, this one is much longer. This one is shorter. Look at that. You see how that is much shorter? This is much longer. So I just want to add some context to this, all right? So ladies and gentlemen, let me just zip up the version 1 to give you a good idea how the back has changed a lot. I just noticed that the back now comes with 2 top straps. Version 1 only came up with 1 top strap. Keep that in mind, everybody. Version 2 comes with 2 top straps for security. Pay attention. This is why Tenba is the best. Hands down. The quality on their backpacks says it all. Their improvements says it all. So, there you go. So this is the layout for the AXIS 32L version 2. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the inside inserts. I can put, I can probably fit 3 bodies in here like I did the version 1. But I noticed that version 1 came with a rain cover, but I noticed that they improved on the rain cover on this. This is much thicker than the one I had before. But you can see you can put lots of accessories into this backpack. So take it with a grain of salt. And the back comes with a pocket as well. So if you guys want to put more stuff in here, like a laptop or something, you can. The side pockets also now comes with a side pocket. So the side pocket itself comes with a side pocket. That's amazing. But just to let you guys know, when you purchase a Tenba backpack, one of the 32s or the 30s or 24, it should come with one of these rain covers. Yeah. Other than that, what else can I say about it? It just looks very different from the very first one. So take it with a grain of salt, everyone. So this is my Tenba AXIS 32L second version unboxing and first impressions. I want to say thank you to Tenba New York City for sending me a free 32 AXIS version 2, because my original backpack falls under the warranty. So I was lucky enough to wait 5 years, and I want to prove to everyone that this is the best bag since Low Pro that I ever used that are the best. 5 years of usage is, dude, that's way worth my money. So I recommend, if you're a photographer, landscape, wildlife photographer, you should grab one of these backpacks from Tenba. If you're a light carrier, you're a city shooter, you're a street shooter, they got all types of size. And mind you, backpacks, if you watch my YouTube video, when I was at the Blitz Expo, I gave Tenba a rundown on their products, but you should go check out their products. They got all sizes and everything. So with that said, everyone, I'm the Panda Photographer. And thank you, Tenba, for sending this out to me. Appreciate it. Thank you. Talk to you guys in the next one.